My name is Shaumya Sarkar और आप देख रहे हैं Wealth Redefined blog. In today's blog, we will be talking about a very interesting fund. This fund has generated a huge return in last 1 year, and as a fund house, it has come under the notice of lot of investors due to this fund only. I am talking about a fund which is called PGIM India Mid Cap Fund. Let me give you an interesting story about PGIM India Mid Cap Fund. Suppose if you have done a SIP of 10,000 rupees in PGIM India Mid Cap Fund in last 3 years, total value of that SIP would have been near double. That means 10,000 rupees per month SIP in 3 years back, if you have started, today's value is approximately become more than 7 lakhs. So this fund mostly invests into undervalued stocks of mid-cap companies where it can generate a excellent return. PGIM Mid-Cap had an AUM of approximately 300 to 400 crores a year back or so, and today it has an AUM of around 3,500 crores. So you can understand how it has become one of the favorite destination for investment for a lot of risk-taking investors. The fund has a PE of around 38 and it has a price to book value of more than 4. This fund has generated more than 65% return in last 1 year, if I talk about date-to-date return. When I analyze the PGIM Mid-Cap Fund, I find that fund manager has done an excellent job in terms of choosing the sectors. At the time when COVID came, he started putting money into IT, pharmaceutical, chemical, cement, and banking sector. So if you carefully analyze, you see that after the spreading of COVID or the first wave onward, ITs have done well because actually there is no hamper of work in IT sector. Rather, it has a demand. Second is pharmaceuticals. So most of the pharma is geared up for different kind of medicines and everything, COVID medicines and everything. So investing into those companies at that point was a great opportunity, and the fund manager did an excellent job on that part. It has mostly put the money into Mphasis, Mindtree, ABB, Federal Bank, or all those kind of companies. And if you see that if India wants to become a $5 trillion economy, then we require a robust banking system. And because of that banking system, the fund manager has taken the advantage of a finance companies. That is the reason that fund has outperformed other peers in this category. So fund manager is actually increasing the position in IT, banking, and pharmaceuticals. So I think the fund manager is doing an excellent job in terms of these investments. If I talk about the drawdowns, you can see this fund has a bad performance since 2018 to approximately end of 2018, and then it started going up. In 2020 and 21, it has beaten almost all the peers. And that is one of the reasons I find this fund is going to do very well. I must give the credit to fund manager, Mr. Anirudh Naha, to managing the fund so robustly. Because when a person is investing into a mid-cap, he is exposed to a lot of risk. And one wrong choice or one bad choice of a stock or couple of stocks can lead to the destruction of wealth massively. But due to his right choices on right sectors and right companies, the fund has given an excellent performance. But if you like to add this fund in your kitty, I would strongly recommend that you should talk to your financial advisor or an investment advisor regarding this. You should not add it just because it has given a very good return in last couple of years. If it suits your portfolio, if your investment advisor finds that this is the right way and this is the right fund for you to add, he will definitely take an action on this. But if you are not a risk-taking person, if you are not going to take high risk, if you are not going to be there for 5-7 years of time, this fund may not be suitable for you. So we recommend this fund as one of the best mid-cap fund, and we give a thumbs up to it. We will come up with this kind of videos on a regular basis. We have already come up with market outlooks, different funds, different NFOs and everything. If you like the video, you can share it. You can send us a comment. You can call us on the mobile number which is available, and we will keep on answering your queries. Thank you very much for watching it. Namaskar.